everybody.
No more!
You have a lot of growing to do. Everything's not a game.
Somebody's bleeding! No!
We have no idea how we're going to get to the end, but we're going to get to the end. It's the Bad Girls Club.
To me, we might be the baddest bad girls ever.
Bad girls. What I want it, I get it. Yeah, that's right, I said it. Live the life you wish you had. The sugar, spice, and everything. But bad girls, like tough. Don't you wish you could roll it up? Us haters can't get enough. Welcome to the Bad Girls Club. Bad girls.
She has no feelings, no morals.
I swear to God, that's why I want to knock him out.
Why? Because you're a replacement. And what are you going to do about it? And what are you going to do about it? Nothing, because you have nothing to say. You have nothing to say. Go, and go, and go. Use the lamp, use the lamp, use the lamp, and what? And what? And what? Right now, it looks like a lamp. Good, go. What's my air conditioner?
The fuck?
Niggas getting her ass whooped. And my girl, well, doesn't have a shirt on.
Good, good. Good, and good. Because you're a liberator. Good, good, good. Bye. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for stopping by.
I'm gonna go home too.
Good, good. You did. Good. You did. Goodbye.
Go home tonight.
Good.
I'm being carried out the house. I know it's kind